Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to upgrade your box account for free. Now if you want to upgrade your box account for free but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And for those of you who don't know what is Box is a platform that enables files management, collaboration and automated workflows internally and externally. So to upgrade your box account, make sure that you have installed the box app and make sure that you are also logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you just need to log into your box account. So this is the home page of box, where you'll see various options like browse, collections, inbox and the plus icon, as well as the files, recent and offline, all of it in the home page. So you just need to click on the profile icon at the very top left. After clicking on the profile icon, here you will see the option of upgrade, one when on mobile network and various options at the very options below. So you just need to click on the option of upgrade, and here you will see the option of upgrade now. So you may click on it, and to upgrade your box account you just need to pay a certain amount of price per year, and by upgrading you will be able to get a lot more of storage, and also you'll be able to get various other options which are available in the premium version. So to upgrade it, you may click on the option of subscribe, which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on the option of subscribe, a certain amount will be deducted from a debit or the credit card which you have included in the Apple Pay, and you'll be able to get the box premium or upgrade to the box premium. So that's it. That's how you can upgrade to the box premium. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.